In today's topic, we'll be looking at crypto coins and how it will integrate into Home Assistant. If you've been looking at the stock market recently or lately or within the last year, you'll see that crypto coins is here to stay. It's going up and up and up and up. Just looking at Ethereum, for instance, within the past 7 days, it went from 2,500 all the way to 3,300 as of today. I've been looking at all these coins. The market capital is going beyond trillions. It's not even billions now, it's trillions. What's the easiest way to get into the market? What's the easiest way to buy some coins? Well, there are several exchanges, and this is what I've been using so far, Coinbase. It's pretty easy to use. When you sign up, it will ask you to verify who you are. For me, I use my driver's license and verify some bank's account. Before you buy, you need to verify your bank so that you can add some money, some cash in there. So let's click on buy, sell, and see what happened. You want to buy some Bitcoin? Sure. Put in the dollar amount that you want to buy. Whoops, too much. $1,000, for instance. It will ask you, how do you want to pay? Click on add a payment method, bank account, continue, search for your accounts. If your account is obscure, for instance, then you'll need to manually add it in. Click on link your bank manually, get started. It will ask for your routing number, your account number, and the name on the account. Click on verify your bank. Next, Coinbase will deposit 2 small amounts like 10 cents, 20 cents, and that way it can verify that your bank account actually exists. Once you add your bank account in, it would take about 1 or 2 days. For me, it was 1 day, and I was able to buy Ethereum instantly afterward. Buying Ethereum or buying any coins from Coinbase is ridiculously easy, much easier than Amazon. So when the time I bought $1,000 of Ethereum, the fee was $15. Not bad. If you want to save even more, you can buy from Coinbase Pro. I'm told the fees are much lesser there, but it looks a little bit challenging to buy. It's not as easy as this. The first time when Bitcoin came out, it was about 10 cents. When I saw it jump up to $1, I dismissed it because I thought it was a scam. And then it jumped to $1,000, and now it's sitting at 57,000. I don't think it's going away anytime soon, and more financial companies are adopting blockchain technology. Visa, MasterCard, to name a few. So if you're seriously thinking of buying coins and thinking of joining Coinbase, please use my referral link. When you use my referral link, you get $10 and I get $10 in free Bitcoin money. Now here's the thing about joining Coinbase or any other exchange. You have to use two-factor authentication. Myself, I'm using the YubiKey. It is extremely hard to hack into this with your two-factor authentication USB stick. You can use this with your computer or via your mobile, assuming your mobile phone has NFC. I'm using this YubiKey along with the Bitwarden. It makes the password extremely long and makes your account virtually impervious to hacks. Now, how do we add this into Home Assistant? Here are the two that I'm looking at, Ethereum and VeChain. So add this into your configuration YAML and you'll see the price update every 1 minute. Once you add it in, it'll look something like this, Ethereum, VeChain. Let's take it a notch up further. Let's set up an automation. So right now, Ethereum is about 3,300. I'm setting an automation to alert me when it goes up to 4,000. The name will be alert ETH. The trigger will be numeric state. The value is 4,000. What happens when this goes up above 4,000? It will set up an alert to tell me to turn on a siren. The siren will turn on to alert me that Ethereum goes up above 4,000 and we are hitting the jackpot. I'm using a dome siren, but you can use this siren as well. This is pretty good because it can alert you via sound or lights. Just for fun, we can do another automation. Add automation, start with an empty automation. Alert, ETH now at 2000. The trigger will be numeric, below 2000. What happens when it hits 2000 or below? It will send me a notification straight to my phone. So if Ethereum ever hits 2000, it will send me an alert via Telegram, and the message will be time to sell, sell, sell. No, I'm kidding. If it ever hits 2000 again, I'll buy more and more. I hope this tutorial helps you believe more into crypto coins and how it can be interwoven with Home Assistant, so that way you can benefit both of them going up or down. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section.